In this video, I'm going to show you all the practical and exciting events and stuff that I engaged in during the 7 days fasting and detox retreat. I'm going to start from even more swimming in the sea, swimming in the pool, and just doing all the exciting stuff that you will not even think of that actually happened in a detox retreat. So sit tight and enjoy. Hi, my name is Mabel. Hence, this channel is called Ask Auntie Mabel because on this channel, I provide answers to various questions regarding life issues or challenges. As I promised in my previous video that was just an introductory video to this series I'm doing on this 7 days fasting and detox retreat. This particular video is going to be very insightful and eventful, and hopefully at the end of this video you kind of have a very good understanding of what more actually get involved in during this wonderful 7 days. So what better way to start by showing you how I actually prepare myself on the journey to the retreat. So the first part you're going to see in this video is just going to be a brief clip of what I actually do on my way there. So it's a long journey on the trail, which I really enjoy. I just sit back and soak in all the countryside views and everything in between. Then, when I arrive at the retreat, I will show you a brief clip of just show you my room. Just arrived at my detox retreat. Look at that. Yeah. The next day, I'm going to show you some of the things I did from me relaxing in the jacuzzi and actually swimming in the pool and spending time in the sauna, just taking it all in and just having a full relaxation and really moving my body and just being in tune to myself and just having fun and just taking it all in and just really giving myself the time and the relaxation that he actually deserves. So, some of you, I just want to say here, I know some of you might not know how to swim, especially those from our community. I just want to let you guys know that I actually learned to swim as an adult. And if you really want to do it, depends on your mindset and determination to do it. There are a lot of swimming lessons, good swimming lessons all over the world that you can really learn. I learned when my children were small because I wanted to be comfortable in the water when I take them swimming. And the first time I did the lesson, I was able to do a few laps. Then I did some subsequent lessons and that was tailor-made for what I needed. I wanted, at the time I did some lessons, I told the instructor I want to be able to go to the deep end, and that was achieved. And there are times I focus on just being able to swim on my back and being able to swim under the water. So now I can confidently do several laps of the pool before actually stopping. Okay. I will then take you to how I actually was able to swim in the sea. I'll just show you a short clip, obviously, because I didn't have a waterproof camera. So when I was actually taking the time and just relaxing, exactly what I did in the pool is what I did in the sea. I think this is actually the second time I've actually swum in the sea. The last time I swam in the sea was on the holiday in Cyprus, and that was very hot country there. But this one, although the water was very hot, that the water was really cold, but it was really good. As we all know now, research have shown that actually having a deep sea dive or swimming in the cold sea actually have beneficial effect on our body. So we just have to keep trying everything and see. It's not one size fits all. I actually enjoyed it. It was very refreshing. So if you are brave enough to try it next time you're around the sea or a seaside, give it a go and just see how you feel about it. Yes, let's try and be eventful and just do every of these things. Do it as long as you're doing it safely. Okay. If you have watched this video up to this point, please subscribe to my channel. The back office is showing me that majority of you watch my video are not subscribed. I know some people are not doing it intentionally. Some of my friends have just told me they don't know how to subscribe. Just click that button that says subscribe. And once you have subscribed, it will change color. Then a bell will come up and say, the notification bell will come up. Click it and it will tell you all. Just click all so that whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. And also, you can only subscribe to my channel once, but you can always like every video. So, and you can only like a video once, because once you try like it twice, you'll be disliking it, you'll be unclicking the like that you've already liked. I hope that makes sense. And also, leave as many comments as possible on the video. Engagement is very important. And all of these, they are all free, but they do help our channel to grow. I will show you also when I did a massage. Obviously, I have to be discreet about that. I think it was one of the only ones I asked them to take a picture, a photograph of me and the massage. I did about 4 separate massages, which is very, very refreshing and very beneficial part of the detoxing retreat journey. And they all have several benefits. If I can, I might just put on the screen what different ones do for you, and some of the one I might just mark it there. Some of the ones I do, I try to do 4 each time I go on a retreat. So I do 1 in a day each day. So you can see what they are all for. But obviously, I was able to only ask them to take a photo of the one with last stone. Obviously, I was covered on that one. So for discretion, I have to be discreet about putting all my flesh on the screen. I'm sure none of you want to see all my flesh. Okay, I hope I haven't missed out anything, but I'm so excited sharing all of this. So then, there are times I went on the leisurely walk on the beautiful ground. Especially after each massage, I just sit back and watch the pony, and I just watch this blue sky, the beautiful blue sky. Some days I watch the sun setting because we had gorgeous, gorgeous weather for the week. It rained a couple of days, which was good. It calmed the weather down a bit, but on days it was really, we could see so many of the attendees, the detox attendees sunbathing. It felt like we were actually in out of the UK doing one of those hot country holidays. It was really good. We were blessed with a very beautiful week. So also sunbathe on some of the days. We have to do this. We have to do it safely. I know, we all know now that getting the actual sun is the best form of getting, best way to get vitamin D on our body. So why not maximize the opportunity when you're around the sun? You have opportunity to do it safely. Then the final day, I did a short video, just having the backdrop of the whole, one of my favorite spots, which I sit on every day or every most evening when I go for a walk, or daytime as well. But this particular day, I did it in the evening. So I will show you that video at the end of the clip. That video clip, I'm sure, is something that will be very exciting that you really like to see. I hope I haven't rushed through all of that so quickly because I'm just so full of beans, as they say in England. So, and I hope you have enjoyed me showing you those clips because, as they also say in England, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. So, I have showed you live activities of what I have actually done. So, and if you still have any more questions left, just leave it in the comment section below because I'm going to do some follow-up video on the Q&A because people have asked me several questions. Is it really safe to do detox? Some conventional doctors have said we don't really need it. Why do we need it? What are the benefits of doing it? So, and also some people have made lovely comment as well. They are what they have benefited from being doing a detox, and also can they do it by themselves at home and all of that. There are several questions that have been asked. So I'm going to do a separate video to answer all those questions and some other things that I have learned about things like chlorine, how they are not really safe for us, and fluoride on toothpaste. There's so many things, chemicals in so many things that we just take for granted. So we also share some of those knowledge that I have gained and how I'm trying to navigate life around them. Obviously, is you can't avoid so everything, so but we can still do our best to minimize the harmful effect of things that are just around us due to the industrialization of our environment. So all of that I'll be covering in the subsequent videos. And obviously, if you've watched this video up to this point, I hope you have gained so much from what I have shared. So please subscribe to my channel if you still haven't subscribed yet. And please like this video and share with people you know that might benefit from this video. On that note, I would say see you all in my next video.